kirisiki kyanyara kwegwa Erieta St. Matthias Mulumba Iranda Parish kulingana na Mulikito Tyson Manyara.
I, Right Reverend Joseph Mairokemwa, Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Kisii, after deep reflection and necessary consultation as required by law, do hereby establish St. Matthias Mulumba Iranda Parish in accordance with the Code of Canon Law.
Omwesikobyo Kisii, Bishop Joseph Mairokemwa, nigo anyegora bene Iranda Parish na koyeroka Erieta lyo Mutakatifu Matthias Mulumba. Nigo mo Bishop amokwanera Matthias Mulumba kurwa Buganda nigo aitetwe esauri anjete Yesu Kristo.
He was one of those martyred because of Kabaka Mutesa. He killed people, and this Mulumba was one of his leaders. But because he insisted of being Catholic, he was killed along with others. Even the youngest called Kizito. Charles Ruanga, we have a cathedral called Charles Ruanga, was their head. They died.
Nigo eparish iyo egotoka se ward ya Nyakoe, Kitutu Chache South, Kisii County. Boigo mo Bishop narwa etobauti erororo ase kanisa amune parish.
I'm saying that there is a difference between church and parish. A church is a physical place of worship for the Christians around that area. And you have a beautiful church here. That is the place that attracts many people to come and worship. Jesus Christ wants us to be one. A parish is the fundamental local community of the Catholic Church, consisting of a specific geographical territory and the congregation that resides within that area.
Chisenda chaye niko chire isano nemo na isato niko cha Rusugwa Maran Parish ne chinde isato kuranya Bururu Parish. Niko omo Bishop amwaka mabuta na kumobeka omo sasrote lapa ni chuma kojera e parish yo eyo.
Canonically installed Father Laban Chuma as parish of St. Matthias Mulumba Parish. I, Father Laban Chuma, with the firm faith, believe and profess all and everything that is contained in the symbol of faith.
Bishop Joseph Mairokemwa chingakie chiecho nigo akora amaonjoleria yabasasiroti babere. Fata Timothy Ongera nigo ayegwali huko agende komokonya Fata Masese e parish ya Nyamira.
When you report there, I'm sending Father Timothy Ongera there, who is currently in Siongo, but I cannot leave you at your home.
Fata Peter yako waigo orusi wa Kisii Cathedral otumagocha Kerema Parish.
A young priest who is not so young, he has worked in so many parishes. And now even the Vicar General does not know. I'm snatching you, Father Peter Yako.
Kuripoti Gatembe, Kuronyakoe Ward Kitutu Chache South, Njewai Cliff Tyson.
Na korwase omuyigoyo ase Bishop Joseph Mairora nyara gukana muna baraiba gisiasa tibabasa waka siasa ase kanisa kurinde abarai korwase county ya Kisii bawate ayo balenge usanga ase ngane yokurengana no Mulikito Uncle Dipon Asanya.
Nasensemo yebacho imebunge yenye ribari masaba ase county ya Kisii.
Negekore gitari ekiabutambe anene asaba na siasa. Ebiro ebikongu nigo byabanyora asomusangirekano gwekanisa asakorende bakaniwa tibabasagwa ka siasa anene bnabarai babuse asomuyega wokwigorwa we parish nya Chinsemo Cheranda mewodi ya Nyakoe ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South nigo baegwa libaga lyokwana na makwani omuyega oba gokurawa na Bishop Joseph Mairura mujumbe Anthony Kibagendi nigara baraibande ase ebunge yuo.
Kuna centers nyingi mpya. Tunarudisha shukrani kubwa kwa viongozi wa makanisa na bishop wetu na mapadri ambao wamefanya hili liweze kutimizwa. Niweze kumalizia niseme bishop, hapa kanisa shule hili tumejaribu kuleta maendeleo kadha wa kadha. Tumemalizia kazi ambao Mheshimiwa Onyonka alikuwa ameanza ya kumaliza administration block kwa primary school na secondary school. Tulitengeneza madarasa mawili, tumetengeza maji ambayo inasaidia watu wote katika area hii.
Asense Moyende omugavana Paul Simbarati nereni gaikirana asomo yigojwe asense Moyende barolekana gutwara obotauti bwenkwana gati yaye no mujumbe Anthony Kibagendi igoro yobokoreri anene bwechipara chinsemecho.
Ile kazi ilianzwa na Senator Onyonka, alikuwa anafuatilia mambo ya barabara inatoka Egesa inakuja pale Nyatieko Iranda ikienda Nyakoe ikienda Kioge. Alifuatilia akasukuma when he was in the budget committee as a member of parliament. Mimi pia vile niliingia kama mjumbe nimesukuma kwa miaka mingi, na sasa we managed to put it in the budget. We are hoping that the tarmacking of this road will start hopefully before the general election comes.
Maskanita hiyo abarani nobale ntokonyara kuramana kuru mambye mpaka marawa tekero montage che atotebi nkeranye ne okora simba tarakora igogio gaki fa bishop ni maetenge president no musanyo kurubara mete president igoro esbali nginyangurwa epale na bera basogotene
Gukonekerekyo omo seneta wi county ya Kisii omuske Richard Mumaima Onyonka ujuboigo onyorari bagali nyenge kegima
bishop gakwana oteba ntu base gusarie keganyeke igongo kwane gente kan mogyoka omwana ominto simba na korete gas naye tigambuli abanda bali swali bagontebi yes omanye ninkimite bagotebi no omanye ninkimite abakristo baminto na bali mura ngasi kimoroche ngwene to kuri kichikura chigocha obogabana God bless you. Thank you sir.
Omwalioje ni gabara yabaiga bakwanira siasa yomurembe anene asogokora emiremo.
Na niambie viongozi wote katika kaunti yetu tutafute kura kwa amani, tuheshimiane na tufanye kazi ambayo viongozi tulitumwa tukafanye. Tusije tukageuza kaunti yetu ikawa a war zone. Asanteni sana.
Tokore siasa ya amani. Nkwa igu mujumbe ga ka tenga ki bamureba bangire maiga. Ejibona ata itasa lya bante birenganye seginero. Segite kobo ese kanisa.
Iwangapi wanapokea salamu za Matiang'i? Mwanjera niremo kwani na ere.
Kuriga segetike irande bunge ya Kitutu Chache South eri nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Nase umurubiri w'ubugusira magacho yekanisa enye yege Adventista ya Mount Zion Itongo ime ya Ibacho yotoka sewadi ya Kiamo kama nyari bari Masawe County ya Kisii. Mugavana mukuru wa kaunti ya Kisii muske James Omaribongwae witira ase omugaka James Batundra oyore omuraya Council of Elders ugusi Council of Elders nigobono anyara kwena na ugusira kwae na chinga kecho nigobono banyara kotebuna nerebia abarai kwebwatirania ase ugusira chikanisa munenchiremo yokugendera gusukia gusi busi buna murikito nere Daniel Ontiri agutumanyase roboti rokubwatia.
Nasensemo yebacho imebunge yenye ribari Masaba ase kaunti ya Kisii asomoiga bogosangalia ebisabwa gokonya aso bagachi wekanisa nya ye Adventista asensemeiga yimanyikanite buna Mount Zion Itongo obuya nonya nabo wachakiwa nabo watani au bakoragwa n'umuske James Elvis Omaribongwae umuiga waligandetigwe n'umugaka James Matundura ase kirenga kyogokini omugusi ase dini
Mungu atakalikia kaibere tikatobitore inu akorire gente kyo kumye asoboje gutwagesi ege kamako na egente kimuraga gwe na ende kitarine na bondo gikire gitarimbe asaya nagachwe abone genda babekereyo nagachwe
asense mwende Matundura nigagokigwa n'umukyoye umusikongwaye unagwetera somoyoye bogwanja no yubugwanchani amonchiri au nagendereta koine kigwa sichinsemo au
omogeni narule gochakuru kwa honorable Ngwaye ya mchanda sana kitu kwa na nera gare naro ombuli ngambanga jepanga ikab amadabia ote wano into mege tore kingo toma lakini nyuma yemetinye vere monga riba kaje kuteneno mujango nchebuwe so nena bali irego nero kwa na kurwa muranga gawo jagocha aje kutenene nyuma ya yemetinye vere iga
Umwanasiasa Victor Swanyogeto kurase kaunti ya Nyamira negati ya balia waigo baikirana osegeta waigo bwanchani wechikanisa na mona serogongo rwagusi.
Now kama una sababu now ndio unapata unaraniwa. That's when you get a curse. But you see kama kuna jawapo reason why you should not give.
Asense mwende swanya nigabuli mugusi no mokenya asubwagale gochora barayi barabakonye na kombya barayi babegete magania babanyene mutwe
asabali bawuda kubuya obugambi boweka na ini wananchi ngubatabya ingakiye gut mochora singe gwetin mochora esinge dimokorengere biya mokoranga gochora oburai boweka gotokoni chunguza kirumu baba kingamba bwate a profile babate ndibakore kunyuma ikorekana abantu abeyenwa abantu baka kulmukia emisigo yino abuna mwete kurire na into to wasaba no ni county tito eka mmoja wotora abantu urumu governor women representative a senator abachumbe aba MCA tora abantu bawete kubakona
Mkurubatire gatasene kia gatembe kurega kia mukama ime ya kaunti ya Kisii litrene nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Wancho murigireria no musasiroti we kanisa ya Nyanza wakwa iyo kutoka ime wadi ya Nyamaiya bunge ya West Mugrango kaunti ya Nyamira aserieta Father George Makori niganyara kubarigania tituko ria rero chinsa cha mugaso nyara kubarigania ababwatani ebe kanisa abo bono babiri bakonyora ubuwenia anamono wetirastie ogosibigwa maiso na chinga kicho abakristo abo nigo banyara gusanga ebrengere byabo na wakabuya ase muwakile Philemon Morara piemi uyo nyara tocha kyo murobiri yo asabange babo batebire muna konyora nonye bakorora litaturi nikubono amaisabo anyarire konyora okorora muriketo Fatigade Gisemba
Puna enjira eyemo yokwiraniria ng'ambi ya mono maega yogosibigwa amaiso nigo abakrista bubare inse ye parishi ya Nyanza bakwa abwo banyorekanite no muchandu wa maiso inse yo muroberio bwo muwakiri Philemon Morara apiemi ange omutienyo yomo oyitire bono ase baganeretiwe gosibigwa amaiso nigo rero baikirana somo yegabwa masabo ase parishi eyo Father George Makori no musasiroti omonene we parishi yeiga ya Nyanza kwa kago kwanera igoro yogosibigwa ukoiga abakristo basibigwe
nkuru kwa Father George Makori parish ya Nyanza bakwa mwishimiwa piemi na chitega igangi mitinyi ya etire akalenga abakristo n'abantu be enseme amaiso wetani abantu chiminye igabakaegwe birore nambali banyorekanite babwate chinkenge batakire gusibigwa amaiso abantu ange 50 aiga bakalingori una barabo bakairwa bakebabo nabo abali magaiga basibigwe batare korora buya nabandi bate bali kirisime bale korora likongoli iga lakini bono bakorora buya
okwana na bararia maega kubabweniwe mbaene kiabuna babwenire boikiranu engana bagenderera gwakabuya
ile ngutandika mutwa mangi sana miaka 5 nomo uyu yosaba ngwe kurura giciriane ubu bugata maiso na ikururire siko na iruri nyagitari chinyinge nasinyire
bono ngutemekerimu yeli bonya dia sero ndeli gutanta nankara yani ngochikorie ri ndona ndi mosunte kakina yake iromo isimigo yo mor apiemi Morara akinya sa amabeko na ndagende ko amende agende okonya bangi ko tanintu
na tande gyase miaka 5 ndware telio kere kana ko rwana ngora mutu ko kunyatia kumbe na maiso ndware nje ngore nyasa na biyamano ando moisimiu tinko moeba na tinko tindo jina nintigere magasari onkonyire na arigerie risaria ne kanyaria mwami
nonye nabo ebabwatukire esegeto nonye ngukyasa bande abo bataranyorekana n'omukyando oyo iga bwa maiso kwerinda bokong'u korwasebiria endake bikwirira omukyando oyo iga
kama okogenda genda aria etuka mugure chintetebe chikarati chiri musime kake igasi ni kuna kubeka obwoyo kwari embese kwayeta kuna igo na liora bwene na enderende mobe mokobare nerioki keranyorire oboseneta abaorokereringa abono igasi nere mogochi gotumeka naende mokobaso mugaso yokomesa mono
kubwatekana na yaiga nigo omusasiroti oyo iga omonene boigo airire chika kyecho na gukwanira igoro yoborai obuya
ase igasi egenderete gokora igasi yoboereria noborai actually noboereria so abaiga igo bari kirori igasi yakorekanire so togosaba ng'a Nyasaye agendere gosesenia omorai oyo na asesenia abaiga bono konye mbaikorora noe nogosoma lero nabo omonto agosoma ebibiria
aiga boigo basabira abantu weyatanana na mang'ana yesero korende chingaki chobochori imbuya gochora abarai bamakora
miragata korora omonto godeliver services guchesa abantu ekiagera bono chibesa okong'a siringi 100 chino no hoteli nchigo isanura cher kuliere kende lakini egento buna ekang'ere kia ebirore eke na egento kia obogima bwane bwonsi ngo chikwegokeria naende ndabeka nkumunyora ase obogima bwane bwonsi chibesa chiri tokoegumbosa egento buna eke omonto atoreteire kia maiso osibirie abang'ina maiso twari gocha gosabuchieri bwa misini ase kero oyomo lakini ero ogaramiire chibesa echi chionsi pi
Ingo ripota Getembe koraiga ase parish ya Nyansabakwa eyegotoka imeye wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Nchefatigad Yisemba
Wancho murigire na asia mangana yechisemi aborokiwa beskuru yekirubo comprehensive omobera yugotoka ime ye sub county ya Kenyenya bunge ya Bomachoge burabwe county ya Kisii nigo bagenderete ko barasara bagiga enyumba kusichi nyumba cha baiseke cyokorara kubwata umuriro elitko lyarero chinsa cha mambia nigo bono emeito na bwiga marangeti abana bo bakorarira ya nyarako ya egento bono batebiruna nigo kyabirike gokorekana gwetania marakabere anemono ase inse yomotenyo yomo oitire na chinga kecho aboiboli nigo banyara wikirana ase skuru yo na kwemurunganeria obuteneneri bwe skuru yo sebatebiruna ati baraba bakoegwa ribaga na boigo nonye abo muteneneri gosobwari mo monene bwe skuru yo tarabaga kuba omwasi oku ase amagendero yo skuru yo na boigo gotema kugayana michando ya birige kubwaterania skuru yo muriketo Gilbert Akobe
nime ase skuru ya Ekerubo Comprehensive Primary School imeye nsemo yo mobera Kenyenya sub county abaibuli nabo igo abamenyi benseme yiga amo nabarokigwa nigo babukira korukyo kumya ase skuru ya nyariko bage kubwata umuriro yigo turanyana kubago kumanikana ekirenga kyaye gose aso chakera nigo orete tamaswali ya mange abaibuli banyako bakwebulia nekinsemo tenenera inganki kyale atumuriro ngabuno yiga
kobori skuru yekerwo CCF chuma mosi ko ikira lituko ngeta na koyera ituko lindi osenju mwane osenju matano echiko yara me ikira chuma mosi
kente skuru erega CCTV awende bano korosie control room aso mondo yo maro ro control kana wano tuacha toligere ngana ki what happened imagine up to now mondo tayo ma to era sanga ngikegendre nyonye na ali mubali baka so mi ma onde yo to era sa to tebi ngan ngikegendre ta bana winu kanga ba nyona bana wa feto wa kids ndorama yo grabona
bono liswali anengo boneli eskuru ya ira maragaratu dormitory yaba muleka ya dormitory yaba iseke ndi ya the last 2 weeks ndi ayire rero abana baitu bari gotoka ngambo tuko ya itwara yo konya no mwana no yomo
okomusanana nigo kwarorekanira aroro igati yaba menyi bense meyiga ababwatani bekisemia sense meyiga no boteneneri we skuru yeyiga asenjera eskuru yegenya koba ekoirwa
skuru yakonye karibu ne biashara biaye usamba ogenda imuka ogenda DC ochaka kwagacho nyambo kitata edikoro muntu nde bwensi seita kuno muntu okoro kwenyombe ya community omasaito beneficiary
oli Ministry of Education skuru yabere ne personal property nona bafanyikazi bo kangeri batari kunyara gukwana abanyikazi boka bafinyire bari kunyara kweyana. Even the teachers, they don't have where to run for. Kindly narakubuli ya Ministry of Education mutakwanja makonye skuru hii kwani muntu teyosomete kutatiko Nyambogi muntu mwao teyosometa ande na ruguru bonchali na ruguru bogere akonye skuru hii Nyambogi no akole biashara biaya ibintu bituma ngino koni ngina biara nero koni kirege to nere abali mumbali kukwana no yani ochile paka naonesa account nigata getoko ya control.
Kuna kitu inaendelea katika huyu mwalimu. So sisi kama wazazi na viongozi tumekataa. Afadhali aondoke, aende shule, aende kwingine ili tupate amani. Kwa sababu tukiangalia vizuri ukweli wa Mungu.
Tukene na skule yiga atwariro ko chafu ngana one ikicho asabana bakunyara ko bakogenda kende getakoriri bosebonjuri bonda wese bitakoriri abana gutukunyana ko bakonyora okobosaribwa okonyora uburoire werisabeso ngabona gusaba kwa barimu bakwatani bekisemi nabo yigo emisiri yekisemi ejane ko bagego swesokya nabo yikugwetera sobora igwaye ekonye skule yiga ekonye mubaru abana baroro konyora kisemi abego kigwetenera go kimutwe.
Kwa hiyo mambo mengine sometimes can be a security issue. We cannot call you as parents tuambie. When the security issue is concerned, kuna mambo ambayo yanafanyika so that we do not have interference hapa katikati.
Kuri botere katembe kuwa sensemo ya Ekerubo Omabera sub county ya Kenya mu machoge bwa bora county ya Kisii amaretane nje Gilbert Kobi.
Nao mwancho murigireria ekiombe giokorosia chipara gia Kenya Rural Roads Authority kera ni gohono kia bwatukire gosi Kenya reko beka se budget chibesa chiri milioni 15 asokoroswa kwipara ekorwa chisemo cha menyenya gocha chisemo cha bogita yugotoka se bunge ya Bonchari nse obuteneneri umubunge wechisemo cyo Moske Charles Onchoke na epare yo anemuna suburaro bukubwaterane gosobu kwambuka korwa ase chiro ya suneka goika chinsemo cha mugumo nikobona bamenyi na boigo bali bagutumikentire yo babere bagutwara umucando munene egento Moske Onchoke anyare kurira buna uburarobu mbonyare cross hose tarachi yo nyare cross wa goika enyare koera obuikira no gukonya abonchoreria.
I was able to get Kera to include it in the program of our roads, which we call the Menyenya Bogita Road, and I'm very excited that we are doing the tarmacking, the graveling, and we're putting the tarmac and compacting it. But as you can see, just behind you is a river, Nyamiri River. And I know it so well because just across this river, my father has a farm there where we used to come when we were young. So it's a place that I'm very familiar with. So these two areas were not connected because we don't have a bridge, but we're having a bridge connecting the two sections so that the people from here can move to wherever they want to go, to the markets, to churches, to see if they're friends, with convenience, a bit of ease in communication, and therefore not just making it easy for communication, but also promoting business because it's a major connecting road. This project is costing about, the bridge is going to cost about 5 million, and the road is about 10 million. It's about a total of 18 million Kenya shillings that is going to be used for this project. The time frame, we have done the road work, so what's remaining basically is the bridge. We are giving it 3 months. So by September, we are ready to go.
Bono, ipari ya itoga, gere, kanta consultations uto anekingia, avantoro kama ya skula visiane biamono, suku wote yantua watrani, na inu abamate. Oni kantu wate contractor. Contractor ito ere 3 site ga, na boroche, oere, ofisi ya Constituency Roads Committee, na kutoka kwa kumuchuku, na toa kwa lega.
Mwancho murigire na kurwa ase amangana aria bwatiranetie nsengima rituko ria rero chitariki 13 nigo rikoba iri ngencho ase baria bamanyekanete buna gosebo bwate risangwa gosebo menyete no borema bwa albinism abo babwate risangwa lirabu na umuyigo monene uyo nyara kwariganirwa ne serikali yensi ya Kenya nigo korekana ase skuru ya baria abatari korora ase umuchi otika ime ye county ya Kiambu negati ya baria baikira naroro ngamono mwaziri wechiseme Moske Julius Ogamba na boigo yoro monogeri bwa serikali ore nerisangwa erio nere Dr. Isaac Maura nechinga kecho nigo banyara kubanyora bonsi baria bamenyete gusema manyekanete buna albinos ime yensi ya Kenya na boigo kubachengira buna nabengencho na boigo mbabwateri baga ryukwenyorera gukera mabaga kusibirogo byoburai.
This year's theme, Proudly in My Skin, celebrating all skin tones, is both powerful and timely. It reminds us that diversity is strength. It reminds us that dignity does not come from appearance, but from our shared humanity. And it reminds us that every child, regardless of their color or genetic condition, deserves the opportunity to live safely, learn fully, participate equally, and dream without limits. When a child is denied education because of discrimination, Kenya loses talent. When a qualified individual is denied employment because of prejudice, Kenya loses productivity. When a capable leader is excluded because of stereotype, Kenya loses innovation. The government, therefore, remains committed to advancing disability inclusion, strengthening legal protection against discrimination, and ensuring that persons with disabilities, including those with albinism, are fully integrated into our national development. But government cannot do this alone. We call upon parents to nurture and support children with albinism, teachers to create safe and inclusive learning environments, and employers to focus on competence and merit. We call upon religious leaders to teach right, to have the right kind of values so that there is no discrimination, and community leaders to challenge harmful practices. The media also to tell positive stories of persons with albinism, not just when they are heroes or zeros. Even normal lives is a story. And so therefore, young people today, let us not waver. Let us not look back. Let us believe in ourselves. Let us believe that 80 years ago, the vision of those who started this school knew that one day, we shall also have a person with disability as the president of the Republic of this Kenya. Through our Linda Afya program, including Linda Ngozi, Linda Macho, and Miwani Mashinani, thousands have been able to access healthcare services, support for their eye care, and now most of these programs, including protective clothing, are being handled by the National Council for Persons with Disabilities. Let's clap for the National Council. So we continue to champion our rights at the Pan-African Parliament, at the EU Parliament, Japan, and even at the UN itself. These efforts have contributed to the adoption of the Africa Union Plan of Action on Albinism 2021-2031, and we are calling the member states to establish and appoint the AU Special Envoy for the Rights of Persons with Albinism.
Last year, tulikuwa tumetolewa 10 million ilikuwa imetolewa kwa Albinism Fund. But today, 10 million has been reinstated. Siyo ni makofi. Tunataka kushukuru serikali because of that. We also want to thank the government because it has given some of us some opportunities to work.
As we celebrate this day, let us commit ourselves to creating a society where every person feels valued and accepted. Let us promote access to education, healthcare, sun protection, employment opportunities, and equal participation in all aspects of life.
Na umurai wensi ya Kenya umuske William Ruto ritukuria rero ni ganyara gutara ase county ya Kakamega na chinga kicho ni ganyara gusegeta mwana yo bonchoreria gusio kwebwatirania ase chisako na boigo ebyombe au na korende ni ganyara ko bagikiria bari abamiriria bae asate birumuna ni gwabire bagutwara siasa ya mwana mange igitari kwagacha usetari koreto bwa matobuya yese ya Kenya asate bire tari gutwara oboba kubatuguterare bonsi
ambao hawana mpango yoyote, ni porojo mingi wanazungusha. Ukiwasikiza wakitembea na huku wanasumbua watu, wanaingia kwa masoko, wanapigia watu kelele, hawauzi nyanya, hawauzi kuku, hawauzi chochote. Wameenda huko na loudspeaker kupigia watu kelele. Wanaenda huko kanisani, hao si wa members wa kwaya, sio wahubiri, hawatoi shuhuda, ni watu ya kwenda kusumbua watu kanisani. Wanaenda huko kwa mazishi, hata hawajui nani amekufa, anaenda kupigia watu kelele huko. Na ndio mnasikia wanatangatanga huku, hakuna kitu imefanyika. Hakuna kitu imefanyika. Sijui nini. Kwanza walianza wakasema ya kwamba yale mambo huyu William Ruto anasema hayawezekani. Si walisema huko? Wakasema ati Ruto ni muongo. Sasa mimi nataka niwapashe wakuje hii Western Kenya, tuwaambie ile Mumias ilikuwa imekufa, sasa imeamuka. ile soni ilikuwa imekufa, sasa inafanya kazi. Wale walikulima walikuwa wanangojea miezi 6 walipwe miwa yao, sasa wanalipwa kila siku 7 wanalipwa miwa yao. Wale wafanyikazi wa hizo kampuni ya sukari ambao walikuwa wanangojea mwaka moja walipwe mshahara, leo wanalipwa tarehe 27 kila mwezi. Wakuje hapa tuwaeleze ya kwamba hospitali
Mwancho murigireria hasi kiunga achigo nigo bono finali ya gikombe kia Mozart Cup egati ye timu ya Tusker FC na wigo timu ya Police FC irachio gokorekana rituko ria ankyo chinsa cie kianda cia mugaso na enkoyo iyo irakorekane ase egiti kia Kwale stadium yo gotoka me ye chinsemo echo cia Kwale gose county ya Kwale nigo bono rache goikiranirwa aroro na boigo na mashabiki na boigo bobwatani abanchi benkoyo na boigo ase eria ekorigia namba isato etimu ya Bandari FC nenyare kugosoria ne timu ya KCB FC ase egeti ekyo gochakira chinsa isano nenusu cia mambia.
Yeah, we prepare as we have to prepare. If we win and play CAF, we have to prepare that way. Means internship, video session, and training session in the morning, and also individual meeting with players and involvement of the board, because this game involves of the club. So yeah, I'm very happy of the mindset. The level of concentration is top from the players, and all the coaching staff. Everybody is involved and happy to play that final. So the mindset is top. There's absolutely no injury. The only injury we have are in Nairobi. They haven't traveled, so we have no injury. So it's perfect.
First of all, I'd like to thank God for this opportunity again with Kenya Police. It was a good experience for us last season, and I'm happy it is happening again, basically with another team. So far, so good. I think my players have done so well in the league and also in the cup. Not really in the league what we would have wanted, but we thank God for the position 3 that we got. Of course, anything can happen. We know Tusker is a very good side. The fact that they're in the final, and you know, finals are not like league matches. We expect anything from them. If it goes for penalties, we are prepared. 90 plus minutes, we are prepared, and we are ready for anything that is going to come at us. It means a lot. Like I said before, it's a redemption for us for the season. We did the number 3, which was not what we wanted, and I think for us, if we win this cup, it's going to be a big plus for us, to our fans, to the whole team, that at least we've got something this season. This is a cup final, and like we started, I mean, anybody would have taken it. We've had teams which have done so well, like Bibred had a big chance. They knocked out big teams, and you could see. So this is a different ball game, and we expect a lot from both teams.
na mwancho murigireria gukorera cia magana yo yitigocoria sekiminano kirikie gikombe igense gose World Cup enyore rero ni rituko ria gatatu ase ibire biga etimu yense ya Qatar egenderete gutwara gusegenderete kuminana abokongu na etimu eri ya Switzerland nekero Switzerland etangani ase egore ya mukurende na yanda mangi no gendere ko yanyora wetera getembe TV na wigotera se mitandao yeito yekirero nase bali banchite ekeminana ekyo ase gikoraga insa osetinsa sasa wa chiabutuko nigo etimu ya Brazil irachigutwara ikiminana getini ne timu eri ya Morocco ikorase urugongo rwa Africa genderera kurigereria getembe TV na boigo gutwara chinga kichinyororo ubutuko obia burigereria obia ngoroko Matilda Obaigo nere nyabu Kevin korase bimanyero na boigo Elvis bakobwaterana nere matunda okoletera chibichane riogi asintira enyikirano bia mono sana ase okoba omwegeno.